The automatic numbering that Word lets you apply to paragraphs in your document can create some great-looking content, but it can play havoc with your file if you import it into another program. Here's how to get rid of the automatic numbering but still retain the numbers. Word allows you to easily add automatic numbering to paragraphs in your document. For instance, I can select these paragraphs right here, and then on the Home tab of the ribbon, all I have to do is click on the numbering tool, and I have a numbered list within my document. While this is quick and easy, it may not be suitable for documents that you need to import into other programs, such as typesetting programs. Those programs may not interpret the paragraphs correctly, or they may refuse to import the paragraphs altogether. To avoid any potential problems, you may want to convert the automatic numbering to manual numbering, which is less prone to compatibility issues with other programs. The way that you do this conversion, however, is quite esoteric. The first step is to make sure that your insertion point is within the document that you want to convert. We're only working with a single document here, so that's not a big issue. And then if we only want to convert a portion of the document, then we would just select that portion. I'm going to convert the entire document though, so all I need to do is just put the insertion point somewhere within this document. Now I'm going to press Alt plus F11. That displays the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications editor. Now this may automatically give you chills if you're not sure how to use macros, but bear with me for just a moment here. Now I'm going to press Ctrl+G, and that displays the immediate window down at the bottom of the editor. I'm going to take this and make it just a little bit bigger here so that we can see what we're going to be doing in the intermediate window. Within the window, I need to type either of the following lines. These are single lines. I don't need to put both of them in there. They're virtually identical to each other. In fact, the only difference is that the first one uses active document and the second uses selection. The first one should be used if you want to affect the automatic numbering in the entire document, but the second should be used if you only want the selected portion of the document to be affected. In my case, I typed in the first option because I want to affect the entire document. When I press Enter, all the auto-numbered lists in the document are changed to manual numbering. I don't see any change within the Visual Basic editor here. The change is made within the document itself. I'm going to go ahead and close the Visual Basic editor and go back to the document here, and you can see that this is now just normal text. It's not a numbered list as I created it as a numbered list just a little while ago. There is one potential gotcha related to this conversion, however. First, it may appear that your numbered lists no longer line up properly. This is because any custom tab stops set for the lists are deleted and Word reverts to using the default tab stops. Now, this shouldn't be a huge problem, as you're probably doing this conversion in preparation for importing the document to some other program. So there you have it, a quick way to change your automatic numbering to manual numbering within your document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.